figgy bun, a cherry tart. I want a good girl, one who rocks but has a decent heart. And I've been waiting, and now I'm sick of that. I think I saw you, Katie, come out and play. I got a present for you today. It's got your name on it. I hope I spelled it right. Oh, yeah. Yeah. She got tattoos running down underneath the shirt, but she wore long sleeves, so you can't guess what's on her. But the coolest one, she can't hide. Yeah, the coolest one says, Dad, Katie, come out and play. I got a secret for you today. I think you're pretty. I wanted you to know. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. This is pointless, 'cause she's already got a guy, and I would never hit on